Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shira for those who don't know me, and this is the home of the blessed, bright, and beautiful. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a video sponsored by none other than AFSISTER Wigs. This wig particularly is the wig that they sent me, and I love it. I haven't gone blonde in so long, and yo I'm feeling myself on another level right now. I'm not even joking. Like, do y'all see this? Y'all, I know y'all see it, so y'all see it. So get into this video, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like also, and share with your friends and loved ones. It's totally free, and my channel is a lituation, so you don't want to miss all the details about this lovely 10-inch AFSISTER's wig. Stay tuned, and we gonna get it popping. Okay, so first of all, y'all, this is giving strawberry blonde. It's giving I am the one. If it's not me, then who? Okay, like I don't even know. I don't even know right now. Like I feel like I need to go take pictures. I feel like I need to be on somebody's date. Like I need to be on a date. I feel like I'm just that girl right now. I'm always that girl, but right now I feel like don't ever try me. Hello? What's the verse? I am the star in any room that I stand in. I am the standout. You just my stand-in. You copy my homework. That's what they hands in. That's why I'm private like the airports I land in. It's giving me Nikki. It's giving me... Okay. First of all, okay, AFSISTER, thank you so much for this wig, and thank you so much for partnering with me for this video. This unit that I have on right now is a 10-inch 1B/27 wig. It is 100% Remy human hair. This means that this is the highest quality of hair that you could possibly get, honey. Like this quality, y'all see it. My hair is living right now. This hair is living right now. So the quality is there. It is minimal shedding. It's tangle free. As you can see, it's literally tangle free. And it's beautiful. This unit is so beautiful. I did not glue it down or anything. I made it like a glueless because I plan on taking it off for a little bit. I like to take my wigs off. Well, if you haven't seen any of my natural hair videos, they're on my page. I have some link down below for you guys, and I also have this wig and AFSISTER's information link down below. Make sure that you follow their Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to communicate with them. Not only are they a well-known popular hair brand, but they also do wholesale. So they are very competitive when it comes to wholesale. So that's how you know that they don't play about their quality of their hair. They're very particular when it comes to their quality of their hair. The lace front 2 inches of this wig is 13 by 6 by 1, and it's just everything. Like, it's not much. The wig is telling itself right now. It's literally telling y'all, look, go buy me now, buy me now.
All right, this is it, people. Let's move. Let's go, 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 go.
You can either visit AFSISTER's Wigs on their official website, or you could also go on their Amazon page. So check out both of these because you don't want to miss out on some good 100% Remy human hair wigs or bundles. And yeah, okay y'all, so here's my AFSISTER wig. I've already took this wig out, but I put it back in its packaging because I wanted it to stay fresh. I've already customized my wig line and plucked a little bit. I'm gonna go back and pluck probably tomorrow or something, but I don't plan on wearing this wig today. But I just wanted to put it on to show you guys. This is special, so I'm showing you guys how great this AFSISTER wig is. And yes, as you can see, I've already cut the lace front. So the lace front is going, y'all. It's all scalpiana. So y'all know how I like to do. Let's snap this wig on. Yes, y'all. Okay, so I have my Babiana Blondie on. Blondie Babiana. Oh, I look so good. AF Sister. Okay, so my next step is going to be to pluck a little more of this my part, and also put some makeup on it so it could look a little more polished. Okay, y'all, so the next thing I'm gonna do, because this wig is so secure, like literally this wig feels so freaking secure, I don't think I'm gonna glue it on today. This is gonna be a glueless. I know in my last wig review video I was like, oh, this is like a glueless. Nah, this one is really a glueless, y'all, because I know I didn't glue it down, but it got clips and 2 bands. It's secure. I'm not even gonna go crazy. I'm about to lay my edges and call it a day. I'm about to lay my edges and call it a day, y'all. So put my clips back. I've already styled the way I want. I am not a professional hairstylist, so if y'all do things differently than me, that is perfectly fine, but this is what works for me. I've already cut it to where my ear stops. I know the headline is a little bit thick right now, but because it's a bob and these are gonna fall over, y'all just gotta wait until, y'all gotta trust the process. I know what I'm doing for me, so know what you're doing for you, and then boom, you're good. But I travel a lot, so I put my edge control in this little bottle. I got it from Family Dollar. It's not a bottle, but this little capsule. So I'm going to start with the front piece. This is my favorite part of my edges. I'm going to grab this little piece. Definitely need a hair clip for this part because the hair is soft and silky and move like this hair is gonna keep wanting to get in the way, so you gotta make sure. But I'm gonna take, where is that crap, I hate when I lose my stuff. What did I have? Oh, okay. So I got my scissors and I got my razor. So I'm gonna take this razor. And I'm gonna go like slanted to the side, kind of like that. And then I'm going to part it again. Make sure I just take a little itty bitty piece. Sometimes I miss some of the hair. Make sure I go like that. Then I'm gonna dip into my edge control and go like boop. Felt like a lot of hair right there. I want to take some more of that out. So like this much. Yank it. Yeah, y'all. I just be yanking my hair, so It works for me though. When y'all see this at the end, y'all gonna be like, alright, that does work for her. If it don't work for you, it's okay, boo. Yeah, and I just slide it like that. So boom, that's my first little edge. And then my second one gonna be right here in the middle. So I'm gonna get my clip, do the same thing again, razor it sideways, slant it like that. Edge control. And go to the side. Boom. See, it's not like that look, listen. This look good already to me. And then the last piece I'm gonna do is down here by my ear. But what I like to do is, like I told y'all before, I like to take my edge control and go up under there first and then lay it down. Not like it make it stick or anything, but I don't know, I just be feeling like I'm doing magic when I do that. So now that I did that, I'm gonna take this end piece. This end piece, sometimes I like to leave it long, so I'm gonna stop it right here at my jawline and razor it to the side. And then I'm gonna cut it a little bit. And then I don't even know if anybody gonna be able to see this part because it's a bob. Can't even see the inside hair like that. I like to make that go in, but today I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, make sure you can see those dips in my edges, honey. Gotta see the dips. Yeah, boom. And that's my edges for this side. So I did 1, 2, 3. I like to do 3 on each side. And it's like, that is cute. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be back. Edges are complete, y'all. It's nothing too crazy. I did my edges very, like, I don't know, I didn't go too crazy. I just did enough to get me through the day. Okay, this is what works for me when I do my edges. This is what I like to see from the side, and that's even if you get the side, because my hair is gonna be like this most likely. But if the wind blows, your girl is safe. Okay, and it looks like I laid it. It looked like I freaking laid it, and I didn't. All I did was do edge control. I did no ghost bond glue, no none of that. Like, yo, this look okay. Let me finish the video. So now, if you guys watched my natural hair, how I straighten my natural hair, whatever that video is called, I straighten my natural hair with these titanium pro flat irons. If y'all didn't see that video is linked down below. I'm gonna straighten this hair with these today too. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I like to do this because sometimes, like, it's a little hump in our head and we just gotta flatten it out. So this is what I do to flatten it out. I just hold the flat iron against my head for a certain amount of time, and I just drag it. Even on this front part, I just do this. I know a lot of people use the straightening comb, the hot comb. I'm scared of that. I'm scorned as a child, okay? I got burnt with those before, so hot comb, no. It's giving no. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I want to. Yo, this is pretty. This is pretty. This is the video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go get yourselves a wig from them, and you don't want to wait, okay? Because I believe this one is probably gonna sell out. The way this is looking, this is like, this is, hello? I'm sick. Okay, y'all, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Remember that you are blessed, bright, and beautiful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.